Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use motion tracking in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your phone, create a new project, and add the video you want to track. Tap text at the bottom, then add text. Type a single dot, this simple as a visual reference. Pinch to resize and place it in the center of your video. Drag the edge of the text layer so it covers the entire video duration. Select the video layer you want to track. Move the playhead to the start of the video. Tap the diamond icon to add keyframe. Then move to the point in the video where the object starts moving. Zoom in and zoom out or reposition the video to follow the object. Every time you move the video, another keyframe is automatically added. Keep adjusting frame by frame to keep the object in focus. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.